First rule. First rule. Please note down these rules, guys. These will be very, very helpful in every walk of your life, each and every walk of your life. First rule is 40% rule. 40% rule. I call you all people champions. Now I will tell you the reason why I call you champions. 40% rule. ये रूल क्या कहता है कि जब भी आपको ऐसा लगे ना कि यार आई एम डन विद माई वर्क, मेरा मतलब मैं फिजिकली और मेंटली टायर्ड हो चुका हूं, आई एम डन विद माई वर्क, at that point of time you actually completed only 40% of your work, only 40% of your work. That will not solve your purpose, my dear friends. At this point of time, for this particular rule, I want to quote a champion's name here. His name is my all-time favorite, Muhammad Ali. What sport he play? Just type in the comment section. First comment. What sport he play? Muhammad Ali. Yeah. Narendra got it right. I hope that everybody knows this. But Narendra is Rahul was the first one to tell. मैंने राहुल का देखा ही नहीं, राहुल का पहले आया है कमेंट. थैंक यू राहुल, नरेंद्र, एवरीबडी. बॉक्सर, ही इज अ बॉक्सर, ही इज माय ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. वो पता क्या बोलते हैं, उनसे एक बार पूछा गया कि सर आप इतनी ज्यादा हार्डवर्क करते हैं, आप जब पंच मारते हैं तो आप रुकते ही नहीं, आप पंच पे पंच मारते जाते हैं, ही इज अ बॉक्सर. वो बताया, उन्होंने बताया उस रिपोर्टर को उस दिन कि यार मैं क्या करता हूँ कि whenever I started practicing punching, ठीक है, मैं पंच मारना स्टार्ट करता हूँ, मे बी आफ्टर 40-50 पंचेस आई गेट टायर्ड. 50 पंच जब मैं लगातार मारता हूँ प्रैक्टिसिंग में, आई गेट टायर्ड. ठीक है, जब मैं थक जाता हूँ पंच मार के, फ्रॉम द 51st पंच आई स्टार्ट माई काउंटिंग ऑफ पंचिंग. आर यू गेटिंग मी गाइस? आर यू विद मी? प्लीज नॉड योर हेड इफ यू आर विद मी. उन्होंने क्या बोला कि स्टार्टिंग के जो 50 पंचेस हैं जिसमें मुझे पेन ही नहीं हुआ, उन पंचेस को मैं काउंट ही नहीं करता. जब मैं पुशअप्स मारता हूँ, शुरू की 30-40-50 पुशअप्स को मैं काउंट ही नहीं करता. जब मुझे हल्का सा पेन होना स्टार्ट होता है, देन आई स्टार्टेड काउंटिंग माय पुशअप्स. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दैट चैंपियन, दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ हिज, जो उसने लीगेसी क्रिएट करी है, वो लीगेसी ऐसे ही क्रिएट नहीं हो गई. सचिन तेंदुलकर, अमिताभ बच्चन, मोहम्मद अली, these are the legends. और वो legend इसीलिए बने because they followed the 40% rule. 95% लोगों से ज्यादा लोग stop at that point of time जहां पर वो थक जाते हैं. The time then they feel that they are tired, they just stop doing their work. And actually 60% of their work is not yet completed. They have only completed 40% of their work. So you have to push your limits to that extent. You have to push your limits. Very, very important. This is a 40% rule. My humble request to you guys, please apply this principle from today itself. My humble request, guys. You will see the change in you in these 30 days. But the condition is start implementing these rules in your life. Fine. Kuldeep, 40% rule. Just a quick recap, maybe 30 seconds. Please speak up.
So you need to push yourself in the any your every life you have to push yourself in everywhere, whatever you are doing. Suppose you are doing workout, you have to, whenever you, suppose you are targeting for 12 reps, then you, from there you have to push at least for 4 reps, then you will start getting result. Here we all are here for practice English. If we are not starting practicing, and we are not speaking, then it's not possible to improve ourselves. So we have to push ourselves.
Perfect. Perfect, Kuldeep. And you are actually pushing yourself. You are actually pushing your limits. You are waking up in the morning and coming here in this session. You are actually pushing yourself. You are a champion.
Yeah, I have a network issue in my inside my home, so I have to go out and sit. So there I
Oh
have to
my
attend
God.
that meeting.
Oh my God. Perfect. Perfect. I love that spirit. I really love that spirit. My goodness. Priya, please, 30 seconds. What is 40% rule? Speak up.
Yeah. So whenever I'm saying I'm tired and I just work a lot, I put my all efforts. So it means that I completed my 40% of task. This is my capability. Now, if I feel like tired, no, I have to work more so that I can analyze. Okay, from now onwards, I have to complete my 60% target, 60% of work that I haven't worked. So this is the capability I have need to work on it. So I not yet completed my work. So this is all about 40% too.
Perfect. Perfect. Now, the next principle I want to discuss with you, and I want you to implement this principle in your life, is Pareto principle. Pareto principle. Very, very important. Anybody know about the Pareto principle? Please type in yes, or otherwise start speaking on this principle. If anybody know. Pareto principle. Pareto is a person.
Yeah, it's called as 80-20 rule. If
Yes.
we find out the particular issues in that task, we find out that 20% of the task will finish on time with a good quality, then 80% will be automatically added and we will be easily achieving that particular task on a defined time, and we'll be completing the task with the quality of whatever the required stuff, we will be finishing it. First,
Absolutely,
it's
Shreedhar.
20% identification is a bit tricky and bit difficult. So once we achieve the 20%, we can easily achieve the remaining 80% of the task, whichever we have decided to complete on the particular task. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. For the benefit of other champions, I will just
It
explain
so
again.
it is all about. I think it is all about 80% of mindset and 20% of your actions. I thought.
No.
No, it's not okay.
Here it is not like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is another thing. Success equal to 80% mindset and plus 20% skill set. That is different thing. This is 80-20 rule. Very famous 80-20 rule by Sir Pareto. We also call it Pareto principle. Pareto. This is my personal favorite. 80-20 rule. Sridhar has said very beautiful. मतलब उन्होंने बिल्कुल सही चीज बोली. मैं उनको अलग words में explain करता हूँ so that you all champions can understand it in a better fashion. In any organization or anywhere in this world, on this planet, 80% of the job is done by only 20% of the people. Yes, 80% of the job is done by 20% of the people. क्या मतलब है इसका? आप अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में देख लीजिए, काम ना करने वाले लोग ज्यादा होंगे, ठीक है? तो काम ना करने वाले लोग हैं वो 80% लोग, 80% लोग हैं जो काम नहीं करते, और एंड ओनली 20% पीपल आर देयर हु एक्चुअली वर्क हार्ड फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, for the benefit of the organization, for the benefit of the society, for the group, for the community, for everybody. Those 20% people are doing actually 80% of the work. That is Pareto principle. Now, those 80% people, those who are not doing the work, they are just the dreamers. I call them daydreamers. क्योंकि दिन में जो सपने देखता है ना, वो सिर्फ सपने ही देखता रह जाता है, वो एक्चुअली में हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता. They are the dreamers. They are just the dreamers. And the 20% of the people, those are the successful people. Those are actually the achievers, are actually working hard. They are the hard working people. जिनके पास सक्सेस पहुंचेगी ही पहुंचेगी. Those will get the success at any cost. 20% people, 20% successful people. That is 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. अगर मैं अपने गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस है, अराउंड 9 years आई एम इनटू दिस जॉब. अगर मैं अपनी बात बताऊं तो ये 80-20% भी फेल हो गया है. When it comes to government organizations, ये 80-20 principle फेल हो गया है. You know why? I want to rephrase this phrase, this principle. Actually, this principle is 95-5 principle. 95:5 means 95% of the works are being completed by only 5% of the people. This is how bad it is in government sector organizations. Nobody is willing to work. So this is how it happens. Now, Rahul, please speak up on this Pareto principle. What is Pareto principle? 30 seconds.
Pareto principle As already you said, it's the 80% of the effect comes from the 20%. 20% of the causes. The 20% of the in an organization, 20% of the people works, and which brings the earning of the organization. 80% of earning of the organization by having that 20% of the working peoples, and the 80% peoples are just lingering around for getting that work done, but they are the causes basically, and not the effect. Also, I believe it is not the law of nature, but thumb rule for seeking for and the same can be applicable on our job, about the on our job, and that's it. So
Perfect. Perfect. Nicely explained. Biswa, please come up. What is Pareto principle?
Pareto principle is in any, as you said, in any organization, 80% people does not work, but their effects gives to the 20% of people, and those 20% people do the hard work. They get successful. Yes, sir.
Why this principle is called Pareto principle?
Because one Italian person has made this principle.
Okay, he was Italian. I don't know. I have no idea that Pareto is an Italian national. I have no idea. Maybe Shri knows something.
No, Aniket, I am not also not aware of that who he
Okay,
says.
thanks for enhancing our knowledge, Biswajit. If he is an Italian, I don't know.
I read a few days ago.
Oh, perfect. Wow, thanks a lot for enhancing our knowledge. So he is an Italian. Okay, somebody just raised the hand. Surendra, please come up. Switch on your video.
In my point of view, Pareto principle is just simple. Only 20% of the people have a burning desire and self-confidence to achieve something. Rest 80% are just analytic person, only analysis and dreaming, not doing it. Action. 20% who have burning desire and take action is done whatever they want. In global, few days ago I read that पूरी दुनिया की दौलत का 20%, पूरी दुनिया दौलत का 20% लोगों के 80% 20% लोगों के पास है.
80% दुनिया की दौलत केवल 20% लोगों के पास.
Yes sir. That I read in a news. Because why they have 80% of the wealth? Because they have burning desire to achieve something. That's
Absolutely. This is the only reason behind. This is the burning desire behind all these success. 80% दुनिया की दौलत मात्र 20% लोगों के पास है. The reason is only one thing: the burning desire and their self-belief. That's it. Rest all happens by itself, by default. Rest all happens. Believe me, guys. One more thing I really want to make sure that, guys, आप लोग please struggle करें. मतलब आप please come up to take up the roles, to speak up, because this is a communication class. You have to speak up the maximum possible times. Like, you have to speak up. There is no option available. So please don't sit idle, sit quiet.
एक्चुअली जो पूरी कंटिन्यूनियन जो मानव होता है एक संसाधन होता है, और हर कंट्री के जो संसाधन है वो डिपेंड करता है कि वो कितने इफेक्टिव हैं. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज में ऐसा होता है कि 20% जो मतलब हम लोग एक ह्यूमन संसाधन जो मानव संसाधन है, they are working and 80% जो है वो totally depend है उनके ऊपर. So that is the rule here applied actually. I felt.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
I think I'm into insurance, and I think 80% of productivity comes from only 20% of people. So these 20% of people have that burning desire. So 80% of that output come from that 20% of people जो input डालते हैं. So I think that is 80-20 principle, Pareto principle.
So true. So true. Applies to every industry. Every industry. Bharat,
This 20% people always get tasks and they never say no, I can't do it. They always accept the tasks, and they take it as a food, not as a challenge. And rest of the 80% people who always give excuses that I don't have time, I have this work and all, and they always keep from the workplace, and they always try to hide themselves from the workplace. And only 80%, only 20% people makes the growth for success.
perfect.
I then
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, Bharat.
Yes, sir. We have to challenge ourselves in new ways. Like if we play sports, like out of 80% of the people are audience centric. Like they are viewers. They won't do anything. They simply clap. The only 10 people who are in the crowd, and 10 people who are in the ground, and they play. And people who sees are viewers, and who are taking into who take action are players.
Okay.
Sir, I want to add something 40% rule actually.
Yeah.
Sir, यहाँ पे मैं कोटेशन बोलूंगी कि जहां आपकी सोच रुक जाती है कि मैंने कुछ पा लिया है, वहां आपकी ख्वाहिशें रुक जाती है. Actually, it is a type of कूप मंडूक. It is a type of कूप मंडूक. कुएं का मेढक. Okay. कुएं का मेढक ये सोचता है कि ये मेरी दुनिया है और मैं यहाँ का मालिक हूँ, मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ, और इसके अलावा मतलब जो भी है whatever ये मेरी दुनिया है. बट जब वो उससे बाहर निकलता है तो समझ में आता है कि क्या है. तो मतलब हम भी वही है, कुएं की मेढक की तरह होते हैं, और अगर जब हम इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं तब हमको समझ में आता है कि व्हाट इज द रियल थिंग एग्जैक्टली. तो उस वहां पर रुकना 40% रूल इन माय ओपिनियन.
True.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. And most of the people will like their mental barrier will stop them doing something like but we have to think in such a way that if someone has done something else, it can be done by anything else. So yeah, most of the people will stop at whether we can do or not. So instead of thinking, if we put it into execution without thinking whether we can do or not, if like yeah, as I told before, if someone, we have to think like if you have done that, even I can also do that. Like we have to put that, we have to think in such a manner, in a positive manner, and we have to go for it.
Perfect. Priya wants to say something. I'm not able to hear you.
not
Yeah.
audible.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So only 20% are giving their efforts in economy and in anything. Only 80% of people are daydreamers and thinking what the progress is happening because of them. But in actual 20%, they are working hard and they are getting the benefit of it. And 80% won't realize that what they are, for example, if the roads, buses, everything, it's done by 20% hardworking people, and we are just getting the benefit. So we are not realizing the strength and power that they are giving effort on this. So we are utilizing and thinking, okay, fine. So we are not in 80%, right? We are not thinking that much because we are not realizing that strength, or we are away from it. So we need to realize, like, okay, you can be the participant of 20% by yourself. If you are implementing you can see your work that people are appreciating. You will be the part of 20%. So you can realize yourself, and you right now you're in 80%. How can you be in part of 20%? So yeah, but it is analysis by the economics. So We need to think and we need to analyze where you are in 20% or into 80%.
Perfect.
Hello.
Arun,
Hello, can I speak?
please.
Okay, so as you say, in every organization, only 80%, only 20% people do hard work and 80% don't. And only they get achievements, right? And the most important thing, how you can get, how you can come in 20% people. So I think uh, if you want to achieve something in your life, so the most important thing you need is skills, knowledge, and hard work in your life, right? And how you can get these things, काफी आसान तरीका है. You will have to do that work which you really love, and the second thing, you will have to make an environment because you are the average of 5 people. So that's why काफी आसान तरीका है, I think. That's it. Thanks for listening.
Very good, very good. Now the last principle of the day. Last principle of the day, that is 4%er rule. 4%er rule. Anybody heard about it? Please just unmute yourself and start speaking. 4%er. No. Okay. Let me tell you. This is basically a part and parcel of the Pareto principle. मैंने Pareto principle में क्या बताया? 20% of the people are actually doing the 80% of the work. So those 20% people are successful, right? Those 20% people will be successful because their mindset is very much clear, very much positive, and they have the burning desire. So those 20% people are very much successful. Now, the 4%er rule is only 4% of those 20% will achieve those desired results. मतलब जो टॉप क्लास होते हैं, टॉप क्लास, आप स्टेयर जानते हैं, सीडी, आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की हायरार्की देख लें, वहां पर जो वर्क फोर्स होगी, जो लेबरर्स होंगे, वो बहुत ज्यादा तादाद में होंगे, ठीक है ना? एक्चुअली दे आर इंप्लीमेंटिंग द थिंग्स, एक्चुअली दे आर हार्ड वर्किंग, बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में होंगे. उसके बाद जब सीडी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, यू विल बिकम एग्जीक्यूटिव, लोग कम हो जाएंगे. यू विल बिकम मैनेजर, लोग और कम हो जाएंगे. यू विल बिकम डायरेक्टर, लोग और कम हो जाएंगे. यू विल बिकम प्रेसिडेंट एंड सीईओ ऑफ द कंपनी. The people will become very, very limited. Those people come in 4%er. Yes, those people are actually the movers and shakers of the company, of their particular industry. Those people are irreplaceable. Irreplaceable, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. 80-20 में जो 20% लोग हैं, those people are always replaceable. Those people are very successful. Those people are actually doing the hard work. Those people are actually great, having their mindset, having the things done for themselves. But out of the 4% of those 20% are actually the movers and shakers of their particular industry, and those people are irreplaceable. Irreplaceable. This is that much effective. 4%er rule. तो मेरी लाइफ का यही मकसद है, और मैं चाहता हूं कि आप भी अपनी लाइफ का यही गोल सेट करें. आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ 4%er इन माई इंडस्ट्री. आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ 4%er. आप भी ऐसे गोल सेट करें. क्यों अचीव नहीं हो सकते? अगर आपको अभी भी लगता है कि अचीव नहीं हो सकते, मैंने आपको बताया था कि वी विल बी हैविंग 4 1-to-1 calls in these 30 days, 30 minutes each, 4 1-to-1 call. You just fix a call with me. I will tell you. अगर आपको अभी भी लगता है कि आप अचीव नहीं कर सकते, आप अपनी इंडस्ट्री के 4%er नहीं बन सकते, just let me know. We will come on a call and I will explain you how you will do that and how you have to do that. This is very, very important. I want to be a 4%er in my industry. You also become a 4%er. You please become irreplaceable. ये जो कोरोना वायरस है, ये कुछ भी आपको हिला नहीं पाएगा कभी भी, because you are irreplaceable, because you are movers and shakers of your industry, right? Now, Narendra, please speak up. 4%er.
I think 4%er is in Pareto principle, there is there's 80-20, and that 20% people and 4% is a part of that 20% people. They are the top shot kind of leader in that particular industries. So if you want to be successful person in your life, you want to be in the top, then you have to be that in that 4% league. So 4%er is as you sir said, it's irreplaceable. Like Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is Apple CEO, and he is into that league, 4%er league. So our motto and our aim should be in that 4%er only. That I want to be 4%er, in my industry or in that industry. So 4%er is the part of that 20% people, and there's a niche in niche market. 20% maybe 4% people, they are irreplaceable.
Absolutely.
Sir, sir, actually, I want to add something. Sir, may I?
Yes, please.
Hello. Sir, actually, there are lots of millionaires and lots of celebrities. They got the 44% rule actually for just Mittal Ambani's and you can say Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, sir, I'm adding यहाँ पे मैं कुछ Maslow's की theory add करना चाहती हूँ. Do you know about the Maslow's theory?
Yeah.
Anyone know? Actually,
Yeah.
hierarchy theory. Yeah. So मैस्लो ने ये बताया है कि जो आवश्यकता है वो आविष्कार की जननी होती है. एक्चुअली whatever your desire, वहां पर आप सोचते हो करने के लिए, तो जिसकी जितनी आवश्यकता होती है वो उस हिसाब से एफर्ट डालता है. उनके बर्निंग डिजायर्स होते हैं. तो व्यक्ति की जो पहली नीड्स होती है दैट इज दे आर फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड्स, जिसमें उनकी बेसिक नीड्स होती है मतलब जो कपड़े और whatever the food and कपड़ा वगैरह.
Water, shelter.
After that their safety needs कि घर चाहिए, पैसे चाहिए, एंड इसके बाद उनके सोशल नीड्स होते हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो फुलफिल करते हैं. सोशल नीड्स में फिर लव, बिलोंगिंग्स, क्लोज वंस, दे ऑल आर कमिंग. ओके, सो उसके बाद ये नीड्स होते हैं, तो यहाँ तक व्यक्ति जो है वो सेटिस्फाइड हो जाता है, एक लाइफ जीने लगता है. फिर उसके बाद कुछ इनमें से कुछ लोग हैं, ये हायरार्की जो है ऊपर पीक पे आती जाती है, सब एक ट्रायंगल बनाता है. तो इसके बाद के लोग हैं वो सोचने लगते हैं कि नहीं मुझे कुछ और चाहिए, तो वो एक्चुअली वहाँ सेल्फ एस्टीम पे पहुंचते हैं. सेल्फ एस्टीम इज द पोजीशन वेयर वी थॉट अबाउट द प्रमोशन, कुछ और ज्यादा कहना, जो हमारे पोजीशंस हैं उससे कुछ और चाहिए, कोई डेजिग्नेशन है उससे कुछ और प्रमोशन चाहिए, कुछ और अचीव करना चाहते हैं, तो दैट इज सेल्फ एस्टीम. एंड इसके बाद जो बच जाते हैं वो पहुंचते हैं रियलिटी में सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन की व्हाट यू वांट टू बी, दैट दे आर द 4%. मतलब यहाँ पे एक्चुअली ये प्रिंसिपल काम करता है कि 4% रूल कि व्हाट इज द जो सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन, जो समझते हैं कि रियली में वो क्या चाहते हैं, वो क्या पाना चाहते हैं. सो दैट इज द थ्योरी ऑफ मैस्लो. एंड आई
Very beautiful theory. I will definitely inculcate this theory in my teachings, in my sessions.